All right, let's get right into it. Today, we are putting together the ultimate blueprint for your dream bedroom. We're talking king bedroom sets and how you can get that incredible, luxurious feel you've been wanting, but without any of the costly mistakes. So, let's get started. This is where it all begins, right? In your head, you have this vision of the perfect sanctuary, a master bedroom that honestly feels like a five-star hotel suite. You can just picture yourself stretching out in this huge, comfy bed in a room that feels both grand and, perfectly yours. Because let's be real for a second, turning that dream into your actual bedroom, well, that's where things can get a little tricky. Between that amazing vision and the final product, there are so many potential traps that can turn what should be an exciting purchase into a massive headache. Okay, so our very first step is to really understand this balance. We're going to look at the most common traps that buyers fall right into, so you can just sidestep them completely. And here they are, the big five. First, and this is the most common one by far, furniture that just will not fit. And I don't just mean in the room, I mean it won't even get through the doorway. Then you've got those surprise costs that make a great deal not a deal at all. Oh, and low-quality materials that look amazing online but start falling apart within a year. And of course, the infamous delivery and assembly horror stories. And finally, picking a style that just feels off once it's actually in your space. So to dodge all of that, we absolutely need a solid plan. And that plan begins with the two most critical things: the actual physical space you have to work with and the budget you're comfortable spending. So what is the magic number for your room size? Well, ideally, for a king bed, you're looking for a 14 by 14 foot space. That gives you plenty of room for nightstands, a dresser, and, maybe most importantly, space to actually walk around without stubbing your toes. The absolute bare minimum is about 12 by 10 feet, but trust me, anything smaller than that is going to feel really cramped. And this right here is a mistake so many people make. It is not just about the room itself, it's about the journey the furniture has to take to get there. You've got to measure every single doorway, every tight hallway corner, and any staircase it needs to go up. Your magic number here is a minimum clearance of 30 to 32 inches. An oversized headboard getting stuck on the stairs is, well, it's a special kind of nightmare you really want to avoid. All right, let's talk money. Generally, your budget's going to fall into one of these three buckets. You've got the budget range, which often uses materials like particle board. Totally fine for a short-term fix. Then you have the mid-range. This is where you'll find engineered woods and veneers, which is a really solid sweet spot for quality and cost. And finally, that premium tier is going to be all about solid hardwoods, the kind of stuff that's built to last, forever. So here's the key takeaway on that. For most people, the sweet spot is right there in the middle. The mid-range really does offer the best long-term value. You're getting furniture that's built to last, way longer than the budget stuff, but you're not making that huge financial leap into premium solid wood. It's just the smart money choice. Okay, with your measurements double-checked and your budget locked in, now we get to the fun part, actually picking out the furniture. But we're going to do this smart, with an eye for both how it looks and how it's made. This chart is basically your secret weapon. If you've got a modern, minimalist vibe going on, a really clean panel or slat bed is perfect. For something more traditional or even a little bit glam, you can't go wrong with the curves of a sleigh bed or the drama of a poster bed. If you're tight on space, a storage bed is an absolute no-brainer. And if it's all about comfort for you, an upholstered headboard is the way to go. Now, beyond the overall look, these are the little details that scream quality. Keep an eye out for dovetail joints. That's that interlocking pattern on the side of a drawer. It's a classic sign of strong construction. For the bed frame itself, mortise and tenon is a super sturdy woodworking joint. Carb 2 compliance is important. It means the materials meet air quality standards. And soft close glides on the drawers, that's just a little touch of luxury you'll be thankful for every single day. So you did it. You found the one. You checked for quality, now you just have to get it into your house and put it all together. Believe me, this final stage is where a dream purchase can still become a total disaster if you don't plan for it. Okay, if the thought of wrestling with giant, heavy boxes and pages of confusing instructions gives you anxiety, you need to know this term: white glove delivery. Now, yeah, it usually costs more, but it means a professional team does everything: the heavy lifting, the assembly, and hauling away all the trash. For big, complicated bedroom sets, it can be 100% worth it. But if you are going to tackle assembly yourself, here's the basic game plan. First thing, always, lay out all the parts and check them against the inventory list before you even think about starting. From there, it usually goes in this order. Connect the side rails, install the support slats, attach the legs, and then make sure the whole thing is level. And seriously, don't try to be a hero and do this alone. You will need at least 2 people. All right, we have covered a ton of ground, so let's boil this all down to a final, rapid-fire checklist of the absolute most important things to remember from this whole explainer. If you only remember one thing today, please let it be this. Measure your room. And just as important, measure the entire path to your room. This one simple step will prevent the #1 most frustrating problem in all of furniture buying, period. Second, think like an investor, not just a shopper. That slightly higher price up front for better materials and construction, like we saw in that mid-range tier, is going to pay you back for years and years in durability. Remember, a cheap set you have to replace in 2 years is not a bargain. And one last time, because it is that important. It's not just about the room. Visualize the entire journey. Before you even think about hitting that buy button, walk the path with a tape measure. I promise, those 5 minutes of planning will save you a world of hurt on delivery day. So, there you have it. You now have the knowledge you need to walk through this whole process with confidence, to avoid all those common traps, and to make a smart, lasting investment. That dream bedroom, it's totally achievable. So the only real question left is, are you ready to make it a reality?